Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, this is Asad Yaqub, and let me tell you, sometimes without reappearing in IELTS exam, your band can improve. Okay, your band can increase. No magic, it's a miracle. This miracle is called EOR, IELTS Inquiry on Results. When you are satisfied, especially in speaking and writing, and you think you deserve better bench score and you want to go for inquiry on results, you have to pay some fee, which is around 60% of your IELTS test fee, and then you apply inquiry on results. One of my students from India, when he appeared in IELTS test, he was not happy with his result in writing and speaking. So he applied for EOR on all 4 modules. Now, whether you apply EOR on one module or all 4 modules, the charges are same. So he took the risk and applied EOR on all 4 modules, and the result, listening bench score unchanged. Reading bench score unchanged. Let me tell you, EOR doesn't affect your bench score in reading and listening module because it's more like mathematics. His writing bench score did not change, but his speaking band changed from 5.5 to 6.5, 1 band increment. And you know, 5.5 in speaking means you cannot apply for Canada, Australia, New Zealand, where they need 6 each. So after EOR, when he got 6.5 band in speaking, from 5.5 to 6.5, this test, IDP is going to return his EOR fee as well, and his bench score is going to improve, and now is going to get a new TRF with speaking 6.5, and 1 band improvement is going to improve his overall bench score as well. So if you are unhappy with your result, you can go for EOR. I've made a message. There are 13 points to consider before you apply for EOR, so you can just check that message. Text me on WhatsApp and I'll share that with you. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.